these are the points of intersection, F double dash, transfer it from here and locate those points over here. Now locate these points in top view as well, and this is the top view of given prism. To draw this top view, draw here vertical lines from here, horizontal lines, then after the length is given, that is 70 mm, so 35 on this side, 35 on this side, and this is the top view of given condition. So until now we have drawn the first line of this problem. Two solids, one horizontal solid, another vertical solid, that is drawn over here. Now we will find out the points of intersection between these two solids. This is the top view. In the top view you can see here that this corner A double dash would appear. So this line is full line, and this intermediate line will not appear because this is inside this vertical square prism, so it will be dotted, and this line shows this corner D double dash edge. It will not appear in the top view, so it is joined by the dotted line. So this will be fully dotted line. After drawing its top view, name the points 1, 2, 3, 4 and find out the point of intersection. Here point of intersection is there between 2, 3, this is the point, between 4, 3, this is the point. So from here draw vertical line that will cut this B at here. Name this as a B dash like this. From here this is the point of intersection, so from this point draw vertical line that will cut this line over here. So this is point of intersection. Also transfer this point on this edge like this, point E dash and point over here. So these are the points. Then transfer this point over here. This point is intersection of this, the dotted line and this square. So from here draw vertical line. So this is the point, that is T. And from here draw vertical line that will cut over here at this point. So this is another point which shows the intersection of these two solids, that is A dash. Similarly transfer this point to the front view over here. Name this point. Similarly transfer this point over here. This is the point. Now if you look from this side, this A portion is visible. So AB is towards us. If you are looking from this side, AB is towards us, so it is joined by solid line. BC is also towards us, so joined by solid line because it's visible. Similarly this portion on this points will be visible, so join them with a straight line or full line. This CD you can see here, it is to the back side, so it will not be visible, so joined by dotted line. DE will not be visible, joined by dotted line. EF will be back side, not visible, so joined by dotted line. AF joined by dotted line. You can compare with this diagram. Here this is A, B, C. A, B and C. So it's visible A dash, B dash, C dash. Now CD, it's a back side, so not visible. DE not visible. EF and FA are back side, so it is not visible. I am just recalling these points. Think about this point. This is A, right? AB, this edge, BC, BC. Similarly, this corner is visible, so this is full line. This corner is visible, so this is full line. Then these rest of lines are dotted line like this. Similarly, here dotted line should be there because it's to the back side of this solid, so not visible lines. These edges are also not visible because this penetrating prism is inside this prism, so this edge is visible up to here only. After that it will not be visible, so this portion is drawn by dotted line. Here also this portion would be dotted line, and this solid, this penetrating prism would appear like this. So this is the answer of given problem. You can remove the not required portion. This is the case. So finally this is the answer. If you see here, this is dotted line, full line, dotted line and full line and so on. Now another case, cylinder. This is the case. Two cylinders penetrate each other at certain angle. the data is given like this. A cylinder diameter 40 mm standing on HP on its circular base. It is penetrated by another cylinder diameter 30 mm and axis parallel to both the planes. Axes of both the cylinders bisect each other. Draw projections showing curves of intersection. You can see here two cylinders penetrates each other. One is vertical cylinder, another is horizontal cylinder. Diameter of both the cylinders are given to us. One is 40 mm, another is 30 mm. First we draw front view and top view of standing cylinder. So that is drawn over here. This is the front view and top view of given case. First we will draw this solid, this circle, like this, circle of diameter given in our case. After drawing this circle, draw projection line from this end point. From here draw vertical lines and then complete this rectangle. This rectangle shows the height of this cylinder. After drawing this rectangle, draw side view of this cylinder. To draw the side view of this cylinder, draw horizontal lines from all these points, right? And horizontal line from this end point from here to here, from here to here, and transfer these 2 points over here. So this is the side view of given cylinder. This is front view and this is top view. After drawing these 3 views, it is given that another cylinder is penetrating inside this. So draw here a circle and axis of both the cylinders bisect each other. So from the midpoint of its height, locate here one point on this axis, and from this draw a circle of given diameter, that is 30 mm. After drawing this circle of diameter 30 mm, divide this circle into equal number of parts, say 8 equal parts. After dividing this circle into equal parts, let me draw front view of this cylinder. So for that, transfer these points over here, point number 7 and 3 over here, draw straight lines, make a rectangle. So this is the front view, and from this front view transfer these points over here like this, vertical lines from these points and vertical line from these points, and transfer it to here. This is the top view of the given cylinder. After drawing these 3 views of given cylinder, find out the points of intersection between these 2 solids. For that, what should we do? First, let me take point number 1. The point number 1 is somewhere here, right? Point number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Point number 1 is here. So from point number 1, draw a vertical line like this. That will cut this 45-degree line at here. From that, draw horizontal line over here. And this line will cut this circle, black circle, at one point at here. So this is point number 1. Now how to locate position of point number 1 in front view? So for that, from point number 1, draw vertical line, and from this point draw horizontal line. Both will cut over here. This is point P1 dash. Vertical line from point 1, horizontal line from point 1. This is point P1 dash. Now what should we do to find out position of point number P2? Of course, similar exercise. This is point number 2. So from this point, draw a vertical line over here. This vertical line will cut this 45-degree line at this point. So from this point, draw a horizontal line, and this horizontal line will cut this circle at this point. So this is top view of this point. Mark this top view, name it as a point number 2. Now to draw its front view, draw vertical line from point number 2 like this, and horizontal line from point 2. So here point number P2 dash is there, which is the intersection of horizontal line from point 2 and vertical line